a snowman with a yellow hat, a big coach on a narrow road, a man with a gash on his elbow, a rabbit stuck in a narrow burrow, 6 little children standing in a row, a yellow pillow on a wooden bed, a small dog following the milkman, a tall man's shadow on a brick wall, a small green plant on a window sill, a boy showing his teeth to the dentist, a crow and a sparrow on an oak tree, a boy throwing a plastic ball to his pal, soft white snow falling from the dark sky, a small pink bow in Joan's long fair hair, a crow pecking a crust on a window sill, a plum and a bunch of grapes in a bowl,